Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change the fuel pickup body. Although this is a very simple maintenance task, it greatly helps to increase your machine's life. Why should the fuel pickup body be changed? There might be dust, dirt or small particles in the petrol you use. The job of the fuel pickup body is to filter out these impurities and send clean fuel to the engine. If the fuel pickup body gets damaged, you will face engine starting problems, power will decrease and fuel flow won't be proper. There is also a possibility of engine damage. Therefore, it's good to regularly check the fuel pickup body and replace it if it gets damaged. Method for changing the fuel pickup body. First step, remove the fuel tank cap. Now, using an angle pick or hook tool, carefully firmly grasp the fuel line, then gently extract the fuel pickup body. Now, replace the old pickup body with the new pickup body. Connect the new pickup body to the fuel line. Carefully place the fuel pickup body back into the tank. Similarly, close the fuel cap. It's very simple to change the fuel pickup body. Quick maintenance tips. Regularly replacing the fuel pickup body improves engine performance. Fuel flow will be smooth and chainsaw life will also increase. For STIHL chainsaws, accessories and spare parts, visit our United agency. If you like this video, hit like. If you find it useful, share it. For more tool maintenance videos like this, subscribe. Also, if you have any doubts, comment. Thanks for watching.